take your seats. We are going to begin with a very short recitation from the Holy Quran, and for that I'd like to call up one of my dear friends and an Imam in the local community, Imam Zakaria Sayyid, who will be reciting a few verses, and we will continue the program thereafter. Thank you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا يسخر قوم من قوم عسى أن يكونوا خيرا منهم ولا نساء من نساء عسى أن يكن خيرا منهن.
This is one of the aims of this evening and one of the aims of this event, which is to get to know one another.
Good evening everyone, I'm so sorry not to be with you in person, but I'm leaving you in the capable hands of Tracy, not sure about that. And I know that she will ensure that you have an enjoyable, stimulating evening.
So please join me in giving a warm welcome to Chairman Yusuf Hassan.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening. Thank you very, very much for attending tonight's Interfaith Friends Dinner. And as Tracy mentioned, this is our fourth one at Leighton Sixth Form College.
I really wanted to pay tribute to all of the people involved in the Interfaith project, because that's what it is. We live in a city of great diversity, and Waltham Forest is no different to any other part of London.
Before I say a few words, I have to say I must acknowledge Mr. Yusuf Ansah. Thank you for inviting me, and all my other police colleagues that are here, even those that are not speaking. As introduced, I'm the Police Faith Community Officer for the Borough.
But I begin as Muslims do, Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulillah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, which basically means may the peace and blessings of God be upon you all. Now, first and foremost, I'd just like to say that I am absolutely stunned at what the organizers have been able to put up today for us.
As all you know, friends, Jewish people, we have our holy day, Shabbat.
On behalf of the police, can I just say thank you to Yusuf, thank you to Noor Ul Islam, and thank you for inviting us here today. It's really a pleasure.
This is the best moment that I have this week.
I really feel privileged to be here, and I want to kind of like explain how I've actually come to be here today.
Primarily Noor Ul Islam mosque in Waltham Forest, but it's brought together tonight nearly 100 delegates from the Jewish community, Christian community, the Hindu community, the Muslim community, and if you watch the whole video you will see that it's just been an evening of joy. We've had some tremendous speakers tonight.
So I'm Councillor Shabana Devi, and this event is being held in my ward, and we've also partly supported this with our community ward pot, because we really believe that these dinners are really important to bring the whole community together. And I think Noor Islam always do a fantastic job with Yusuf Hamza leading from the front and demonstrating how important it is to break bread with other communities. It builds community cohesion, it builds better understanding.
Hi, my name is Zia Rahman. This event is an amazing event. You know, I met a number of people having different faiths from Islam, Christianity, Judaism, Hinduism, Sikhism. It's amazing to see, you know, under one roof, different people from different faiths.
We are privileged to be able to attend many events such as the one that we're at this evening, the Interfaith quiz and supper. And I'd just like to say with great pride, I was on the winning team when it came to the quiz.
My name is Shabir, and I've just had the pleasure of hosting Noor Ul Islam's annual Interfaith friendly gathering. It is amazing, actually. It's the first experience for me hosting this event, and it was just had a mixture of speakers of different faiths and backgrounds.
Well, good evening. I've just come to an end of a really enjoyable evening, celebrating different faiths in the Borough of Waltham Forest.
This is the best moment that I have in our visit from Indonesia.